model, 64-plate Ford Transit Connect 200 Limited starts drives needs head gasket replacing no VAT. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 102,903. Engine, 1560 cc 1.6 TDCI 115 PSC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Still starts and drives perfectly, but obviously will need to head gasket replacing, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, aircon, cruise control, electric windows, alloy wheels, parking sensors. Euro